Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain, and today I'm doing a nice, easy nativity card. Now, nativity cards are not something that I send out, but I do have a friend that does. And she usually wants some suggestions for each year. And so this is what's going to be happening today. I've just put some gouache down on my mat here, and I'm just going to actually, I'll spritz my brush with water while I'm at it. There we go. Just to dampen it a little bit. Now this is a really strong colour. It doesn't have to be precise, but it's going to give me a really good background for the design that I'm going to be doing. The other thing I'm going to do while I'm at it is do the edges of this piece of card. This is going to be where the sentiment goes. So I don't want it to be all over it, I just want to do the edges. And that is the first stage. A ring, which I've cut out in a black glitter card. And I have a piece of acetate, or in this case it happens to be book binding cover. And I'm going to stick the ring onto that. And line that up as well as I can. Turn over, there we go. Whoops. That was my silicone mat just fell on the floor. Clean tissue and just press around the outside edge, going to the outside of this so as not to put the glue on the inside. I'm going to put my glue on the ring here, and here we come with the frame. I've got this half moon, which is going to go in here. There we are, it fits in precisely within that frame. There we go. And you can stamp your sentiment on here and then stick it on. I wouldn't stick it on before the sentiment is on, just in case you mess your sentiment up as it happens. And now I have the finishing piece, which is a silhouette of Joseph and Mary and baby Jesus and a little lamb or a goat, I'm not sure what it is there. Masking tape, and pick the image up from that. And carefully remove the tape. And I say carefully because you don't want to rip up your background. There we go. Let's peel off the little creature. I think it's a goat. And I can go down there. So we now have our silhouette inside. This can go on here, and if you wanted to, you could add a North Star or something like that in the top. So here is the finished card. I think it's come out quite well, and I did redo the sentiment bar because I made a mess of stamping the sentiment, as I sometimes do, but it's the same process, and I just did it again and cut a new piece out to stick on the front. And there we go. I think it could possibly benefit by having a North Star up there rather than just a little gem type, but this is a prototype card. I'm not going to be sending it to anyone, so I'm really not that bothered. While I was doing a nativity card, I thought I would just do another one. So this is the other nativity card that I've made. And this one is so easy and so quick, you'll be able to knock out these in no time at all. Just one piece of card, the front of which has got a skyline cutout, folded in half, and I have included the score line in the pattern. And then the bottom part of it, all I did was I tore a piece of paper and used that as a mask to put some sand dunes in the bottom. And I've put some grey up above this area here, just to add a little bit of extra interest. The camels and the 3 kings were cut out and just stuck on the front, and the card is done. So you really don't need any more instruction than that. So there we go, that is the second one, and I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.